Chamisa's new chapter. Zimbabweans' overwhelming support paves way for fresh political era. The 2nd of September 2025, by Innocent Moindisvo and Hira. In a significant development, Nelson Chamisa has responded positively to the overwhelming support from Zimbabweans urging him to launch a new political outfit in 2025. Following an online poll, Chamisa's supporters made it clear they wanted him to introduce the party this year, and the former MDC Alliance and Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, president has taken note of their views. Chamisa's decision to establish a new movement comes after his CCC was allegedly hijacked in January 2024 through a suspected ZANU PF-backed strategy led by Sengizo TSHABANGU. Despite the setback, Chamisa has remained committed to his vision for Zimbabwe, and the poll has shown that citizens still trust his leadership and are determined to rally behind him. Responding to the groundswell of support, Chamisa said, "Fellow citizens, hear you, thank you for your insightful feedback, unparalleled interest, and amazing love. Your views are noted and appreciated." His response reflects his commitment to being guided by the people and shows his willingness to work collectively towards a better future. The launch of this new outfit is expected to usher in a fresh era of politics in Zimbabwe, defined by inclusivity, transparency, and accountability. As the country looks ahead to the 2028 elections, Chamisa's movement is poised to shape the political landscape in new ways. For many citizens, the development is a message of hope, offering an alternative to politics that has long left them disillusioned. However, the road ahead is not without challenges. Chamisa will need to navigate political obstacles, but with the support of his followers and his strong vision for change, he is well placed to push forward. The revival of trust in the political process and a renewed sense of ownership among citizens will be key to the movement's success. Chamisa's call to action is for all Zimbabweans to join him in building a just, prosperous, and peaceful society. His new political outfit is seen as a step toward restoring faith in leadership and providing opportunities for all. With a clear vision and popular support, Chamisa's new chapter may indeed mark the beginning of a brighter political future for Zimbabwe. Share vertical bar, follow vertical bar, sharing is caring.